the traveler? Oh, that's big. Really?
Tomorrow.
This one! Let me try. Cheers, cheers, cheers. This is the royal shaker from Doha.
Going to cook there?
Be careful, Jay. Good morning. Eto, just came back from France holiday. I'm back again in the airport. And this time I'm going to UK. See you guys later. Bye-bye.
How are you doing?
This is my room.
The next day.
Good morning, good afternoon. How's the traveler? How's Denmark?
Yeah, that's
Yes, for you.
Can I taste? Can I try one, Andy?
those 1, 2 there look better.
We can eat this?
We'll try cooking.
It's only for cooking?
Yeah, this one you can try.
They're pears, they're not ready. They're not ready.
Okay, which one I have to try?
How you will know it's not ready?
This one! It's from the floor.
Yeah, but make the pancake that with the apple
Really?
tomorrow.
Look at the apples. It's huge. Oh, that's big. That's huge. Yay. Is Mrs. Bag's mother-in-law place. So we just stealing some apples.
Say, Grandma,
No, it's not
can
this-
I have some apples?
That is stealing.
Grandma, can I have
We're
your
cleaning the garden actually. Let me try. Andy, it's so sour.
Yeah, because it's a cooking apple and it's not ready.
Oh, it's just for cooking.
Yeah, well, we can put
Here now.
And where?
Where are we? In walking.
No,
London.
it's not walking.
Surrey.
It's in Windsor.
Windsor, sorry, town ng sorry. as you
No,
are.
it's not sorry as well.
What?
You vlogger, you don't know. This is Windsor, Berkshire, where the Queen lives.
Yes.
Right?
And then your neighbor is Elton John.
Yes.
Yeah. So see you guys
Then
later. Bye.
tomorrow, we're going to walking in Surrey.
Ah,
Right?
okay, you're right.
Okay.
Okay. So, ciao, ciao. Say bye-bye. Bye. Let's go. It's fine. We're in Punto. Thank you for having me. Cheers, 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 cheers. Wow.
So this is a delicious garlic bread.
They're sharing.
So one here, and we'll give it to them.
I'm gonna miss you.
That's lasagna, that's aubergine.
Oh, you're very healthy. Oh, that's that gate.
Kate Middleton's house. Kate Middleton? Really?
This is the Windsor Royal Farm Shop.
Hurry up, madam. My sexy driver. So as you can see, this is the royal farm shop. And here, yung gate na yon, that is Kate Middleton Gate Palace. So they live there. So we are here now to buy some products.
This is all organic.
All organic, yeah.
Yeah.
It's all organic and quite pricey, yeah?
Yeah.
But you see, wow. Oh, yeah, scone. I love scone.
You will just buy when you come.
You can see all the meats, they are all organic. Wow.
One eternity later.
So we just left the Windsor farm shop and we're just passing by here to have some coffee here sa Runnymede Hotel and Spa, just to have a coffee, you know, because I am with my beautiful driver, my Madam Bags.
Hi. This is Shaka.
Sheka from Doha. Bye.
No, we're not gonna have a buffet. This one, buffet later.
Okay. Wow. Look at here, so pretty. Is the outside of Runnymede Hotel. Sobrang ganda, oh my God. Hi. Hi. Thank you, Windsor, for having me today. And we're flying tomorrow to Ireland. Thank you, Windsor. We'll be back on the 29th. Here. This is my shop. You see the name, Ria? It's a Filipino shop here. Yeah, only one.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, let's go. Just arrived now in Ate Bag's place, so we're going to cook a Filipino food. See you. Bye. This is my friend's place. Look, they have a grapes. Wow. It's not ready. That's right. Sweet, nice. With the seeds. Nice. Like your orchids. Look, wow. This is our kitchen, so we're going to cook this. Pancit. I am in charge today, but she did already that. She did already that. Let's go, right?
I'm the kitchen.
Start cooking the pancit now, and she has done the lechon. How you call that? Lechon, roasted lechon. Yay!
The broth.
Yeah, I just need to add the vegetables first and the carrots. See, we are vegetables lovers. Not vegetarian because we have a meat. Vegetables lover. And then this is the chicken stock here. I put all, yeah? Oh. Chicken broth.
Then that's the time you put number 8.
Number 8.
Yeah.
Almost ready. I love lots of black pepper. Black pepper, black pepper. Wow, it's huge. Be careful, it's hot. Yeah. Whoa. Smell good. Ooh. Oh, I cannot wait to try.
Lechon
Yeah, like
from the butcher of Windsor.
yeah. From the Windsor Castle.
I don't know how to do it. Just do that. Where's the bowl?
Parsley noodles up.
Is it nice, your garlic?
Yeah, very nice.
Yeah.
It's the chili garlic. Be careful, James. Bye. Ah, here's a GoPro. Here's a GoPro. Bye bye. Going in the hotel now. Going to check in the hotel in Hilton because tomorrow early at 5:30 we have to be in the airport in Heathrow. So we are here now. They're going to send us in the hotel now. We're going to check in. See you. We are now in Hilton. I'm going to show you the nice view because the lobby is on the 8th floor. Yung parking niya talagang spiral. We're going round and round until we reach the 8th floor. And this is the on the top. 8th floor is the lobby. I'm going to show you outside. Here is the outside. The whole town of walking town. We're in the 18th floor. It's 1840.
Building with all the scaffolding. Yes, well, when I picked up the.
So this is the bathroom. Wow. It's quite big. Our free room attendant. Wow.
So now we go.
Look, it's just inside the cupboard, the coffee things. Going out to the lounge with Andy, our driver. He will just send us, and after he's going back home. Kasi tomorrow we're going to take the flight. We are in the lounge now, so we're just going to have a drinks here and then stay in our room. But are we going to have some alcohol? I will not have alcohol now. Maybe later. We'll have some coffee first. Oh wow, that's really a lot. Maybe later. Coffee maybe. What are you taking? A cappuccino?
No.
Oh, that's it?
Lemon and ginger.
I'm going to have lemon ginger, or no, I'm going to have the blackberry and raspberry.
I will organize. Wait, I don't know, because she's always busy, isn't she?
You got to book about 4 months ahead.
It's nice to meet you, huh? You're so pretty. Cheers.
Yeah, that's short.
London is there.
London Eye is not there.
Yeah.
Somewhere there.
It's not visible.
So nice to see you, Andy. So long.
It's a bar. We just come here to see the view.